Creating a Samsung account on your Samsung Smart TV is quick and unlocks access to apps, updates, and personalized features. Here's how. Turn on your TV and press the Home button on your remote. Navigate to Settings, Gear icon, and select Accounts and Sign In. Choose Add Account, and then select Create Account. Follow the on-screen instructions to enter your details like name, email address, and password. Make sure the email isn't already associated with another Samsung account. Alternatively, use a web browser on your phone or computer to visit the official Samsung account website. Fill out the registration form to create your account. Once done, return to your TV, select Sign In, and enter the email and password you just created. After signing in, your account will sync across Samsung services, enabling app downloads and personalized recommendations. If this tutorial helped you, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.